Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help Australians just like you start their own online business selling things right here in Australia. We've got over 2,000 members with sales of over $50 million, and you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. PPC on Amazon can be bloody expensive. Do you need to carry on doing PPC once you've ranked your product properly on Amazon? I'm going to tell you now. Oh, here's another good kind of PPC related question, and I know that the gentleman who asked this is on the call tonight. So Sean Bowie says, Neil, all right, so I'm going to answer this in an arse about tit way. Neil, how do I keep my ranking on the for SEO from the SERPs I have, whilst also reducing my PPC budget? Okay, so what is going on right now, just to paraphrase all that, is that Sean, very clever man, is ranking somewhere on Amazon. Let's suppose he's ranking, because he's awesome, on the top spot, page 1, position 1. So page 1, position 1, top spot. And he's also running Amazon PPC. So he's got both things running. So what he wants to do now is reduce his amount of money he's spending on Amazon PPC and instead rely upon Amazon's own organic traffic through SEO to make sales for him. Okay, so super cool idea. Let me talk you through that. So first question to answer within that little conundrum is, why do products rank? Why the hell does something rank on Amazon? And therefore, why does rank change and rank drop? Why the hell does that happen? So let's see if I can explain that in a heartbeat for you. So here's a search term, tactical flashlight. Everybody needs a tactical flashlight. Surely they do. Tactical flashlight. And now we can see what is happening here as far as what products are ranking for that specific search term. Okay, that specific search term, important consideration, because the way this page works, and indeed all pages on all e-commerce platforms where a ranking process happens, the rank always works in the same way. Okay, so you can apply this to eBay, you can apply this to Etsy, you can apply it to any of those kind of things. The way rank works is this. This product here, which is page 1, position 1, based on its history and based on its projected forward sales, which is a tricky combination of things to take into consideration. If you want to learn more about that, go and buy my Amazon SEO course. It's got all that shit and much more in it. But based on its projected sales targets, what's going to happen, this is the product that makes the most sales and therefore money for that given search term. Okay, so that search term, this product is the one that makes the most sales and therefore the most money historically and projected into the future. Okay, this product is the second best product as far as making sales. What Amazon looks to do is it looks to optimize its ROI, its return on investment, for every given search. Meaning, for every single search that gets done on Amazon, Amazon wants to convert that search into sales. And the products that help it do that the most are the products that get rewarded with high ranking. Hope that makes sense. So, with that being said, what about your PPC budget now? Imagine now that you've actually ranking and you've gone and you've done your good job of ranking, and now you've got yourself here, P1, POSI 1. Bloody awesome, well done. However, how do you stay there? Well, again, what Amazon does is it looks at your sales history and your projected sales going forward. Okay, so it looks at those two things and it will put you into the ranking process, this ranking process that we're looking at right now. Rank number 1, rank number 2, rank number 3, rank number 4. It will put you in there in line with what it believes is going to happen to your product and your ability for that product to make sales from that search term. So where does that leave us with PPC? Well, pretty simply put, if your product continues to make more sales than the second product, position number 2, then you will maintain page 1, position 1 rank. But if you turn your PPC off, and as a result of that, you make less sales, and the number of sales you make per day falls below that product there, then those two products will swap over. This will become position number 1, this will become position number 2, and then the ranking process will begin again. So what does that mean for what Sean wants to do, reducing his PPC costs? Well, unfortunately, you do not know how many sales per day this product makes or this product makes. You don't know that, so you kind of have to guess. And the only way you can guess is by reducing your PPC budget and seeing what happens. That's the only way you get to guess. Okay, there is no way of knowing that beforehand. That's all you can do. For me, what I do is I keep, given that my PPC, it continues to make money, I just leave it on. The only time I wouldn't leave it on is if some of those search terms I'm going after, little burp, some of those search terms I'm going after, they no longer make any money, and therefore it doesn't make sense to keep them on. I've got them, I've done the thing I need to do, and now I'm just going to turn them off and just leave them on the PPC search that actually makes good ACOS, that makes money. Hope that makes sense. Sean, it's a good question. That was a video taken from my regular Monday night Q&A session that we have here at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Every week we jump on a call just like you saw, and I'm just answering questions, helping people build their Amazon business. If you'd like to get myself to help you build your Amazon business, you can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you on the inside. Bye for now.